Hey everyone, we love to look at how companies are using AI to just get ahead. Well, Anthropic, they're a big name in AI. They just launched something that's it's pretty huge for businesses. It's called Anthropic Console. And it's all about, you know, making AI development a real team effort. And at the same time, giving their AI, Claude, some real serious brain power. Okay, so let's like break this down. First, imagine like your whole company, right, working together on AI projects, not just, the tech people but everybody, marketing, customer service, sales, all working to build and refine those instructions that, guide the AI, those prompts. In Anthropic's console, it gives you this central hub for like all things AI. It makes it super easy for teams to, work together, build those prompts, refine them. No more like, confusing emails or chats. It's everything is just streamlined, organized. Now, let's talk about Claude for a second. Anthropic's AI, right? They've actually just upgraded Claude, uh, specifically with this feature. It's called Sonnet in its latest version, 3.7. Is kind of like, giving Claude this turbocharged thinking mode. It can handle like really complex tasks that need, deep analysis reasoning. It's almost like giving your AI a PhD in, whatever you need to do. You need to analyze market trends. Claude can do it. Want to like plan your next big marketing campaign. Claude's got you covered. But here's the best part. Anthropic knows that unleashing this kind of power, it could get expensive, right? So they built in these controls to like manage the cost. You decide when Claude uses this sonnet mode, so you're always like in control of your budget. It's like having this like super powered consultant on call, but you only pay for their expertise when you absolutely need it. Pretty smart, huh? So you might be thinking like, why is it such a big deal, right? Well, for one thing, it's kind of like Anthropic is like breaking down those walls that used to be between like the tech teams and everyone else in the company. Like think about it, AI development. It's always been this like mysterious thing, like kind of exclusive.
You got your data scientists, your engineers, like working away in their own little world, speaking a language most people like don't get. It's been hard for other teams like marketing, sales to really get involved, or even like understand how AI could even be useful to them. But Anthropic's console. It changes that. It brings everyone to the table. People from different departments, different expertise, they can all contribute to like the AI development process. So that means you're getting like a much richer, more well-rounded solution. It's kind of like having a chef, a farmer, and a food critic all working together to create like the perfect dish. Each person brings their own thing, their perspective, their skills to the table. And when you combine that, like that collaborative approach with Claude's new Sonnet capability, the possibilities, I mean, they're mind-blowing. You can start tackling those really complex problems that used to need a whole team of like human experts. Imagine being able to like analyze customer data and predict like future trends, right?
Using AI to optimize your supply chain in real time. Things that used to seem like impossible. They're within reach now. And it's not just about, solving problems. It's about like unlocking new opportunities, new ways of doing business, new ways of thinking. With this kind of like collaborative AI powered platform, you can start to imagine what the future of your industry could look like. And that's what's really exciting about all of this. It's not just about, little improvements here and there. It's about a fundamental shift in how we approach work and innovation. Okay, so where do we go from here, right? What does all this mean for you and the future of your work? Here's the thing, AI, it's not some like futuristic fantasy anymore. It's here, it's powerful, and it's like it's changing the game. And with these platforms like Anthropic's console, it's making AI more accessible, more collaborative. It's clear that like businesses of all sizes, they need to start thinking about how they can, use this tech.
Like a world where AI isn't just this tool for the techies, right? But it's a resource that everyone in your company can use. Where marketing teams, they can use AI to create these like super personalized campaigns. Customer service reps, they can use AI to give like instant and really insightful support. And sales teams, they can use AI to like identify the best leads and close deals faster. With this kind of widespread AI adoption, we're not just talking about automating tasks. We're talking about like fundamentally changing how we approach work and problem solving. It's about empowering every employee to be more creative, more efficient, more strategic. And that's what's really exciting about this whole shift in the AI world. It's not just about technology. It's about unlocking human potential and creating a future where we can all like work smarter, not harder.